आदलो आमदार मिकी पाशेकोन नव्या वादाक तोंड फोडला। ताच्या कोतान हालींच मंत्रीपदाचो सोपूत घेतिल्ल्या आलेक्स सिकेरान आपल्या जल्माची नोंदणी पोर्तुगालांत केल्या। सरकारान ताच्या जल्म नोंदणीची तपासणी करची आनी ही गजाल खरी आसत जाल्यार ताची आमदारकी आनी मंत्रीपद काडून उडोवपाची मागणी पाशेकोन केल्या।
दुहेरी नागरीक वेंचणूक लढोवन आमदार आनी मंत्री जावपाक शकता काय कितें असो प्रस्न मिकी पाशेकोन उपरासलो। सिकेरान आपल्या जल्माची नोंद पुर्तुगालांत केल्या। आमदार जावचे पयलीं ताणें ती रद्द केल्ली आसत जाल्यार बरें आसा, नाजाल्यार ताका आमदार आनी मंत्री पदावयलो काडून उडोवचो अशी मागणी मिकीन आलेक्साचे नांव घेयनासतना केल्या।
गोंयकार want to know this man, okay, who's in this government, whose birth registered in 2021, okay, it is cancelled and therefore he was given a ministerial berth, or if not, Sarkar has to, because people of Goa want to know, okay, therefore government have to know, government have to be informed. Let how this Rajya Sabha member who brought this issue, okay, let them find out, because I came to know through the media and today I am making a statement. Now same, let the minister or let the MLA, okay, if I am saying it is registered there and here the SN number, okay, if not, that let him prove that he cancelled and brought. Simple as that. Today he is in a position, he is in this government. I am not making an allegation here. I am talking on evidence here. I am talking on evidence. I don't have, but if he cancelled, which I don't have, which we cancel, let him prove that he got to cancel his residence. Judgment judgment to make judgment and to judgment passport office where they start cancelling. Why they cancelling? If there is judgment, why the passport without the passport officer cannot just cancel? They got information that this is a person who registered himself in Portugal and this is the asset number. Asset is itself is shows you are citizen of the country. Asset after exception only you get asset number. Otherwise you don't get asset number. Now त्या पासून सांगता या सरकारान सगळ्यांचे एक नोंदणी सरकार सगळ्यांक एक नोंदणी चोवपाक जाय. मंत्र्याक आनी आमदारां म्हणून आनी दुसऱ्या इलेक्टेड मेंबरांक सगळ्यांकूच आयज हांव उलयतां ते जनरल उलयतां. आज उलयता आसतना एक हूज होल्डिंग अ हाय प्रोफायल पोजिशन आय एम टॉकिंग अबाउट देट कित्याक उलयता फकत त्या मनशाकूच जे मनशाक हाय प्रोफायल पोजिशन हांवें तेका लागून उलयना हांव जनरल उलयतां. आयज जर हे मनीस हे भाशेन जियेंक शकता ओके आनी बेनिफीट घेवपाक शकता जाल्यार दीस शूड स्टॉप समवेअर एंड इफ नॉट दे हॅव टू प्रूव दॅट आय एम नॉट.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोमंतक टीव्ही.